In this video, I will show you how to save a Canva presentation as a PowerPoint. To do this, just open up the Canva presentation. For example, I'll take this one. And then after doing that, what you want to go and do is click Share in the top right. And then click Download. Now, instead of whatever it says here, we're going to click on what it says for you. And then select PPTX, which is the Microsoft PowerPoint document. Then click Download. And I'll wait for it to finish. And now here you can see I have it as a PPTX file, which is a PowerPoint file. So now if I go and open it, you can also see it is saved as a PowerPoint. Now you can import it as well in PowerPoint and basically present it there. So that's how to save a Canva presentation as a PowerPoint. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.